We are on the brand new Star of the Seas. Let's do a room tour. Our room is on deck 11, 128. We got a ocean view balcony. Brand new room. Lots of lighting. Closet spaces. A little different on this one. There's baskets. Ooh, brand new. Lots of hangers. Some more storage. Very nice. Let's check out the bathroom. Lots of space. Another
Pretty
hidden.
cool.
Some more storage and a nice safe.
Some Star of the Sea swag.
This is pretty nice. Some
Got
outlets.
USB and Type-C power outlets.
Love the tropical chair. Drawer space. Hair dryer for all the ladies. Little mini cooler. The light. And then this is the balcony. Two seats. Little mini table. Not much of a view right now, but here soon we will. And then this will turn into a bed. We have our two boys with us, so this will turn out.